Hello, Namaste. Welcome to our channel, Janu Akki Bindas Vlogs. Now I am going to showing a mini waterfall which is located very near to Brahmasagar. Actually, this waterfall is on Brahmasagar Right Canal. This waterfall is located close to the RTPP water plant which is on the side of the Teluganga project Right Canal. As shown in the Google map, we reached in 10 minutes from main road by following the path behind the RTPP water plant. The water flow here is nice to see as it flows some distance from the project right gate through the cement coated canal and then flows down freely with gravity as shown here in visual. Situated between two hills, this place is very scenic to see as well as the sounds of the stream of water are melodious. Really this place is amazing. The water depth here is shallow but the flow rate is high. Here my dad went into the middle of the stream and spent some time. I want to go there but it scared me so I did not go. Here we sat beside the stream and ate the food hearing the sounds. That feeling would actually be amazing and unspeakable in words. We enjoyed with the paper boats very much here as we let them down into the stream.
On this place, the water is very pure and transparent.
The place shown in the video here is like a small island with water flowing around on all sides. The feeling we got when we saw this small island were situated surrounding hills and in the middle of the water was truly amazing.
After discovering this scenic place, we wanted to go into that mini island to see this spectacular place anyway.
From the side where the water speed was low, we slowly approached the mini island holding the branches of the trees. In fact, the joy we get when we walk through this stream entwined with bushes is extraordinary. Anyway, finally we carefully reached this place which is located in the middle of the water. Here it is like a hut made with branches of trees. Maybe it was built by some fisherman.
Surrounded by hills and flowing water, this place is pleasant with lush green grass. We spent a lot of time in this place and came out walking through the stream with playing and singing.
ఉండండి చిచ్చిరి పెట్టు పాకిస్తాన్ సంగతి తర్వాత చూడొచ్చు మీ సంగతి చూసుకోవడం ముందు ఇక్కడ ముసలాం ఎవరు ఈ ముసలాం ఎవరు కట్టబడుకొని వస్తాండ్రు
We swam and playing for a long time in this pure and transparent water.
What we are seeing here is the Teluganga project backwater. We shoot these from the place where the windmills are located on the hills adjacent to the project. The panoramic view of project backwater area from the top of this hill is very beautiful. The atmosphere on this place is amazing. By the time we got here, it was cloudy and the weather was very pleasant. We took some stunning visuals from this spectacular place. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel Janu Aki Bindas Vlogs.